Hi my girls, welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday the 20th of April 2020 at 6:53 p.m. So today is day number 26 of the lockdown here in New Zealand due to COVID-19. So we are still on level 4 until Monday next week. So from Tuesday the 28th of April next week at midnight, we will be moving down to level 3. The total number of COVID-19 cases in New Zealand is currently at 1,440 with no further deaths. So the death toll remains at 12. So earlier this morning, I finally finished editing my LED lights aquarium video and I posted it on my YouTube channel. And then after that, I cooked some Korean style fried chicken for lunch. Yum yum. And then in the afternoon, I played some volleyball in the front yard. So I got out from shower about maybe 20 minutes ago and my hair is still wet. Okay guys, that's all the update from me for tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.